Hey guys, what is up? It's me, looksbylottie, and welcome to today's video. Today we are going to be unboxing and trying on the March BoxyCharm Base Box. If you want to find out what I got in this month's box, then just keep on watching. I apologize if I look a little rough. I got dumped today. Am I ever gonna date again in my life? No. I'm gonna be single forever, which is fine, it's fine. I've already accepted it. I obviously need a little bit of makeup love and skincare love. I need some BoxyCharm love. So let's go ahead and open her up. I did already take a sneak peek at everything and I'm actually quite excited. I was like thinking about like ways to create content for like the past couple of days. I'm like, ah. So this month's BoxyCharm theme is Game Changer, celebrating game changers and boss babes in honor of Women's History Month. So I believe that these are all women-owned brands, which is amazing because we love to support women. I'm filming this on International Women's Day. Got dumped on International Women's Day. Sounds very misogynistic. Am I bitter? A little bit. Am I really sad? Yeah. I'm gonna be using the back of a card to read off the product names and also the prices. Let's get into it. The first product I received is from Rare Beauty. This is the Always an Optimist Illuminating Primer. I love Rare Beauty so much, and as I mentioned in one of my last videos, they actually gifted me some products, so I'm hoping that this is good because I'm looking forward to using this. A cooling water-based gel primer that smooths, hydrates, and illuminates skin, prepping you for makeup that looks and feels its best all day. Ultrafine pearls give skin a soft, lit from within glow, and this retails for $26 USD. First, I'm gonna give it the good old smell test. I'm gonna put it on the back of my hand. Oh, I didn't think it would look like this. No scent, so if you don't like scents, then you will not like that. If you don't like scents, then you will like that. This is what the primer looks like blended out of my hand. It's definitely hydrating and it gives you that like glow from within. So I'm definitely looking forward to using that. Next up we have some skincare and I'm actually very excited to try this. This is from Generation Skin. This is the Hydrating Marine Algae Eye Patches. Marine algae is a straight from the sea skincare savior dense with vitamins, minerals, proteins, and essential fatty acids. When applied to the delicate skin around your eyes, it helps firm, soothe, plump, and brighten like nothing else. If you are looking for fresher looking peepers, use these ASAP. And this retails for $49 USD. Keep in mind, if you're on your own health insurance plan right now, it's time to start caring about your under eyes and also using retinol. So I saw a picture of these. Oh look, it comes with a little scooper. And let's open these up. Look. Oh, we got one stuck here. Now this has a smell. It just kind of smells wet. Oh, it's dripping. Oh, my Lanta. Oh, go back in there. Go back in there. We're going to check you out in a bit. Today, we're going to do skincare first because obviously I need it. Next, we have some brushes. These are from Luxie, and this is specifically the Florals brush set. Soar into spring with a new brush set. Featuring 4 new brushes, the 219 eyeliner brush, the 205 tapered blending brush, 213 eye shading brush, 211 concealer brush, a detail blender sponge, and a pastel purple pouch. And this retails for $40. I think that 4 brushes, a beauty blender, and a bag is a little expensive for $40. I would probably put it at like $25 personally. But here are all of our brushes. Oh, and also here is the sponge. Now I have used Luxie brushes before and I am a fan of them, so I have no doubt that these are going to be good. But once again, $40 is a lot. Maybe it's because the sponge, which is very soft. Things are expensive nowadays. Don't even get me started on gas. Next up, we have a product from Frank Body. This is the Brightening Vitamin C Mask. This is an active brightening vitamin C mask that multitasks. Natural and cruelty-free, it's packed with vitamin C rich cacao plum to reveal your brightest, clearest skin. It dissolves your top layer of dead, dull, damaged skin with papaya and pineapple extract, along with lactic, glycolic, and salicylic? I'm gonna put the word right here, I can't say it. A sophisticated formula, it's got more than one move. Use the vitamin C for acne, hyperpigmentation, scarring, and fine lines. You don't need that overpriced serum or that beauty filter. And its retails for $19.95. Oh, That's actually not that bad of a price. I mean, we'll see if a product is really good in itself. Although I think they just posted something, because this is an Australian brand, but they raised their rates. So it actually might be a little more expensive, or this might be the actual price of it and you guys are getting a great deal. I know you can find Frank Body at Ulta Beauty. I've seen them there quite a few times, and I tried the booty drops when I got them in a BoxyCharm box a couple months ago. I think it was back in August, and they worked. So I have no doubt that this will be good too. And last but not least, we have a product from Conrad Beauty. This is the liquid eyeliner, not to be confused with regular liquid eyeliner. Line your lashes with a rich color that stays true through wear with its lightweight, non-smeary formula. This retails for $20 USD. Straight and simple to the point. I will say, when I went to look up pictures of this, I just looked up Conrad eyeliner, and there were a lot of pictures of Conrad and her perfect winged eyeliner. So I'm assuming that she is well known for her eyeliner. I don't know. I didn't watch The Hills growing up. I was a little young for that. I'm like a young millennial. But if we open it up here, it looks like it's got a pretty fine point. Forgot the word for a second. And
I can't. Get out.
Hold on, wait, that was, hold on, let's try maybe here?
Call the police. We need to call the police.
Sounds very pigmented, Lauren. Those are all the products in this month's box for me. I'm gonna let you guys know that my boxy number is C2203005-BA. Did you get the same box as me, or did you get something different? Let me know in the comments down below. First, we're gonna dive in with skincare. I'm gonna make sure that my skin is nice and fresh, and I will be back in a flash. I'm just letting y'all know, fair warning, that I am going to be filming a TikTok for this as well. So if the camera angle kind of changes a little bit, I apologize. I am a one-woman show here. Anyways, the first thing I'm going to try is the Frank Body Vitamin C Mask. I squirted a little bit on my hand just to make sure I didn't have any weird reactions, and I just got an alert from Uber Eats. They know me too well. But anyways, it didn't like react weird on my skin or anything, and it also didn't have any smell, so I think this will be good. The instructions say to apply a thick layer to clean skin, rub in circular motions for 30 seconds, and leave for 5 minutes. So I saw somebody like apply it like this. All right, there's some of it. It said to like put on a thick layer, but I don't want to use like too much. But this product is very runny. Also, like, what if I lose it? Ah! My skin better look the best it's ever been after this. I mean, I feel like my skin looks a little brighter already, but I also just put this on. I'm gonna wait for 5 minutes and I'll see you guys in a second. Woo! Hello. So it's been about 5 minutes and I just realized that this got on my shirt, so awesome. But I went ahead and washed it off, and I think I do look a little brighter in like a good way, of course. Obviously with skincare, you're gonna have to use it multiple times in a row. Well, not in a row because it says 2 to 3 times a week, but you're gonna have to use it multiple times over a period of time to see if it really works. So hopefully in next month's video, I will update you guys. Anyways, the next thing we're going to get into are going to be the eye patches. I'm super excited for these. I've always wanted to try something like this. And are you about to say, wait, you never tried something like this? Yeah, it's called These Are Expensive. So I think all I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take one out. Ah, I just dropped it. I'm better at applying things with my fingers, so that's what we're gonna do here. Ooh, that's hydrating. Let me go ahead and apply the other one. It's a lot harder to do than it looks. Oh, I just picked up like 10. Ugh, these almost look like I kind of want to eat them. Should I? I'm not. Alright, and for these, it says you have to wear them for about 10 to 15 minutes. I've got a video queued up that's about 10-ish minutes, and so when that's finished, I will be back.
One eternity later.
So my video just ended. It was very entertaining, very relaxing. So it is time to take these baddies off. Whoop, and dispose of them. And now all we have to do is take the leftover serum and just massage it into my eyes. And once I finish that, it's time for primer. All right, so I am super excited for this primer, so I'm not gonna waste any time. We are gonna, Hold on, let me get a mirror for this. We are going to dive right in. Gotta get some on the forehead, nose, face, other side of face, and chin. And let's blend her in. Alright, so it looks pretty good on my skin, but how does it wear with foundation on top of it? Let's find out. Of course, I'm going to be using some Rare Beauty products because I gotta see if it works. So I'm going to be applying my foundation, concealer, and I guess I can use my bronzer stick and some liquid blush as well. We're going to do a whole face of Rare Beauty. Why not? Of course, we're going to speed right through this because I don't want you guys to get too bored. Before we continue this mess and we go in with my concealer and also my powder, I'm going to go ahead and use the Luxie brush to blend and set this all out. Did I say brush? I meant to say blender. Okay, so far I think everything is looking really good. I think there's like some kind of funky stuff happening with my concealer, but it might be because it's a little old. But otherwise, I think that the foundation is sitting well on top of the primer and all the other products are sitting nice on it besides the concealer, so happy so far. So now we're gonna test out some of these brushes. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to test them all because I think I'm just going to do like a simple, basic, everyday eyeshadow look, even though my basic everyday eyeshadow look is no eyeshadow, no makeup, no nothing. But I'm gonna play around a little bit on this eye, and then also I'm going to test out the eyeliner once I am finished making my eyeshadow look. We shall see how it goes. Real quick, I have to find the eyeliner because I may have misplaced it. Give me 1 second. Okay, I found it. We're all good. So hopefully the hand swatch is just like a floopsy daisy and it's gonna wear well on my eye. You'll find out with me. Yo, this liner is weird. Okay, so like on my lash line, like immediately on the lash line, I get a lot of pigment, but it's a little bit thicker than I want. But then as I make my way out, it's a lot harder to make a, well, I don't know, maybe I had to warm up a little bit, but I'm not a fan of how that turned out. Let me do the second eye and maybe put some lashes on or at least some mascara, and I'll be back in a second.
A few moments later.
Alright, so I did the other eye for TikTok, and I don't know if you guys can see, but this side was way more pigmented. You'll see it in the video. If you don't follow me on TikTok, go ahead and do that. Also, I went way too far in here, so I gotta even that out. But yeah, this side is way more pigmented, and I even went back in a little bit and like filled some in here because like, whoa, I'm not being the cleanest with this wing job, but it's fine. So I guess maybe it had to warm itself up a little bit. It was in a box for a few days, so maybe that's it. Maybe, is it gonna be more pigmented? Well, okay. See, there's a difference. All right, thank you for showing me your true self. I appreciate it, because I actually like you. All right, guys, let me finish this face and I'll give you my final thoughts on this month's box. Alrighty, y'all, so here is our final look. What are we thinking? How are we feeling? I know I look like Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson back in like the 80s or 90s, but it's kind of a vibe. Kind of feeling fall vibes. But anyways, let's go ahead and break down this month's products, give you my full and final thoughts. Well, semi-final, at least for skincare. And then wrap it on up. So I think that both my skincare products this month were really nice. I really like how this mask felt on my face and also the eye patches. I want to like honestly do these every night, although I might go broke buying these like once a month, but definitely will keep using these and will hopefully remember to give you guys an update next month. I definitely want to play with this primer a little bit more, use it with different foundations and skin tints that I have. Maybe just use it once like with just sunscreen and the primer, because you gotta make sure you're using sunscreen if you're going outside. I don't use sunscreen on my YouTube channel because I'm just sitting at home, but you gotta use it. But I think that my foundation is sitting very nicely on my face. I don't see, well, hold on, let me get a mirror. I don't see anything like acting up weird or anything out of the ordinary except for the concealer that I mentioned, but like I said, I think it might just be old. And I'll zoom you guys in a little bit so you can really see all of that texture. So yeah, a win for me. As far as the brush set and also the sponge goes, I mean, we all know that I like the Luxie brand brushes. I still use the ones that I've had before, and I even still have that broken one that I got like back in 2018 or something crazy like that. And they all worked very well. They all blended my shadows out to basic perfection. I'm not perfect. Nobody's perfect. And I was able to blend out my under eye concealer and set that powder flawlessly with this. I always love a baby sponge for that reason. And last but not least, Lauren Conrad, you scared me for a second. I'll tell you what, you scared me. But as far as felt tip eyeliners go, I think that this is actually a win. I'm really happy with how the pigmentation turned out. Of course, I think you gotta warm it up a little bit, but you can just do that on your hand or maybe just like on your lash line. But this turned out really great. Overall, I'm very happy with this month's base box. In fact, I haven't been upset with a base box since like way back in July. So if you want to sign up for BoxyCharm, I will leave a link down in my description below. It is not like an affiliate link or whatever. I literally just like type in like sign up for BoxyCharm and I take that link and I just plop it in there. BoxyCharm does gift me the products, but I'm not paid for anything. That'd be super cool, but I'm not there yet. What did you think about the products that I received this month? And tell me what you received in your box if you are a BoxyCharm subscriber down below. And thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I appreciate every single one of you. And don't forget to leave a like and a comment. Make sure you subscribe and also turn on notifications so you know when I post my next video. I'm still sad about my breakup, so I think it's time to go eat some ice cream. But I'll see you guys later. Bye!